Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull PC. First, download and install the Webull desktop application from their official website. Once installed, launch the program and log in using your existing Webull account credentials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface, which you can customize to suit your trading style. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading experience. Now, let's dive into placing trades. You can easily access the order entry panel to buy or sell assets. Webull offers various order types, including market orders for immediate execution and limit orders for precise price control. For effective risk management, remember to set stop loss and take profit orders. This helps protect your capital and lock in gains automatically, even when you are away from your computer. Webull PC provides robust charting and analysis tools to help you make informed decisions. You can utilize advanced charting features for in-depth technical analysis, adding various indicators such as moving averages and the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. Furthermore, you can draw trend lines and identify key support and resistance levels directly on your charts. These tools are essential for understanding market movements. Finally, let's talk about personalizing your Webull PC experience. You can customize your workspace by arranging multiple windows and widgets to display the information most relevant to you. This flexibility allows for an optimized trading environment. You can also create multiple watch lists to keep track of your favorite stocks and potential investments. And speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your home cleaning? Check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. A well-organized workspace enhances your focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.